Howdy, 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 hi, everybody. This is the Savage Battle. Some of you have been wondering about this. I know I've been wondering about this. So I went ahead and dove into it. You really need to know what you're getting into. This is a very different kind of battle. Very different kind of battle than any of the Halloween or Thanksgiving or any of the other modes. Even the April Fool's games, it's really different. First, you can see that you get your choice of destroyers. That's it. This is a destroyer battle. And I kind of suck at destroyer battles, so you should be able to figure out where this one's going to go. But take a look at some of the numbers here, which are kind of amazing. That's the ship I took. 10,000 or 18,500. Artillery, only secondaries on this destroyer. I don't know about the others. So you don't control them. And they're not very good. This is what's amazing. 2 launchers, each with 4 torpedoes, and the torpedoes go 130 knots with a 7-kilometer range. 130 knots. Whoa! Decent AA, but I don't know why you need it. Maneuverability, look at that. 50 knots. With a rudder shift time of 0.8 seconds? Oh my god. This is an arcade game. And the detectability, 4.5, which means your torpedoes can go almost twice as far as anybody can even see you. These are what I chose for captain skills. They give you a 19-point captain. I figured anything that helps me survive and anything that helps me spot the enemy and decrease the range at which I can be spotted is the way to go. I probably should have thought about that. What's interesting about this game also is that you don't get consumables out of hand. You have to go out there and earn them. They are on the map, and you have to sail into a circle, and that's how you get them without getting killed. Whoops. What was I thinking? Much better. Now, when you see the map, you're going to have a heart attack. It's like trying to navigate through a maze. So there's quite a bit of luck involved in this game. But something else about this game that makes it so insanely difficult to win is that it's 3-1. There are 3 enemies to every 1 of your friends. There are 9 enemy destroyers versus your team, which only has 3. So it's a 3-1 advantage. And their ships are every bit as good as yours. Which makes this an insanely difficult game, or battle mode, to do well. It's very fast paced, as you'll see. Incredibly fast paced. And there's a lot of luck that goes into this. And intuition. See those curves there? That's so I can get an idea of where the enemy is. Because I'm going to send torps his way. Okay, there's one of our guys. Watch out for the ring of fire. It'll kill you. Now, see that right there? That's where I can go and get a consumable. Probably a smoke screen. Look at how tight things are getting here. Look at the mini map. I mean, some of these alleys you gotta sail down are insanely narrow. Yeah, there are the enemies. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 to 1. So let's see what consumable I get. Hey, we got a smoke screen. Hooray. So I know the enemy has got to be drawing close. They've got to be. So I'm going to go ahead. Whoa, hello. Whoops. Well, no penalties. Oh, that's nice. I think he's trying to push me away from there. Probably good thinking. Alright, we just had our first sight of an enemy, but the moment you see them, they're gone. Okay, so there he is. So I'll send some down there. Send some down there in case he turns around. He was sending some towards me. Reload time, 10, 9, 8. Insanely fast reload, isn't it? Can I get? Come on. Fire. Oh, for God's sakes. Oh, God. You can see that this is a challenge. This is a challenge. It is close quarters. Insanely close quarters. 130 knots on those torps. Oh, wow, just ran out of range. Oh dear. Oh dear. He took one. He's almost gone. And with those odds, 3 to 1, and it takes nothing for the enemy team just to slaughter you. You really got to make it count. Oh. Well, that was a good torpedo run. But he had to have hit him with more than one. Unbelievable. Oh, it's over. Okay, one friend left and 5 enemies. This will be... Oh, he's gone. Okay, so that is Savage Battle. Incredibly fast, very different kind of play style, very different type of map, very different performance on the ships, different everything. But for some, hey, why not? It's a lot of fun. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe and have fun.